Hello mga ka-easy! Today we're going to make chicken saltado, a Peruvian dish. I'm gonna use chicken thighs, cut into strips. Marinate it with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and a teaspoon of ground black pepper. And set it aside while we are preparing the other ingredients. In a small container, combine the liquid ingredients: 2 tablespoons of chicken butter sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And here are the other ingredients: garlic, ginger, tomato, yellow onion, cilantro, and jalapeno if you want it spicy. Now turn on the stove on high heat. Then add 2 tablespoons of any kind of oil in the pan and then saute the garlic. And when the garlic is already golden brown, it's time for us to add the ginger. And when we are already smelling the aroma of the ginger, then it's time for us to add in our marinated chicken thighs. Add in another teaspoon of ground black pepper. Make sure to stir it occasionally. And then cover the pan for 5 minutes. Give it a stir. And now let's add in our onion, the tomato, and now the mixture of our liquid ingredients. And then give it a stir until the onion and the tomatoes are cooked. Make sure not to overcook the onion and the tomato. Just like I said earlier, you can add jalapeno if you want it spicy. Otherwise, don't add. And now it's done. So we will garnish it with cilantro. And ta-da! It's done. Our Peruvian dish, chicken saltado.